Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to shoot this quick review for this Svensson Rustic Corner TV stand. We've had it for about 4 years now, and so I think it's a little bit overdue for me to do a quick review on it. But yeah, so far so good. We really enjoyed it. Like the texture, like the color, it matches the aesthetic in our living room here, which obviously you guys can't see behind us, but it does match the aesthetic. So I just want to share a few things that we really like about it, and maybe it can help you make a more informed purchasing decision if you are shopping this particular product. So first and foremost, this is actually solid wood, right? There's been times where we've purchased items online, and when it finally comes, it's kind of questionable. You can kind of tell there are certain parts that aren't solid wood, that aren't real wood. So we have to send it back, right? So we're a solid wood family. We don't like any of that MDF or anything like that in our house. And so, yeah, we really like the quality of it. We like the texture of it. Overall, we have a toddler running around, and so we haven't had any quality issues, things chipping or breaking. So we've been really impressed with that in that regard. Second, it has two types of storage. One obviously has this display shelf right here, so you can mount small mementos or anything like that. But we like to keep this sort of food tray here, which again matches the aesthetic. It's really easy, really compact. You can put things away here, so we really like that. You can put, like I said, small mementos if you want, but we like to kind of keep it clean. And then also it has this private storage, right? And in here, we don't like to jam it with too many things, but we have just like blankets here that you can store away. This is sort of a decorative ottoman that we like to bring out. Sometimes there is one right behind here, but sometimes we like to bring two out. And then also we have this tray, right, that you can put food on in case you want to, like, eat a snack or something like that while we watch TV. So we really like that. And last but not least about this TV stand is the assembly process, which is really simple. Sometimes you buy things online and it comes in a gazillion pieces and it has a ton of hardware. This thing doesn't require any hardware. To put it together, it literally is just panels. You have the top panel here, you have the doors, you have the shelf, you have the bottom panel, and the side panels. And the way that it gets put together is you literally attach them together, and the way that they stick together are with these knobs. All you do is you push these knobs. You just basically lock the knobs with your thumb. You don't need any screws or anything like that. And that's how it gets put together, right? So if you aren't really savvy with following instruction manuals, or you're not savvy with using, power tools, anything like that, you really don't have to worry about that when it comes to this TV stand. So overall, we definitely give it a thumbs up. We are really happy with this particular purchase. And so, yeah, we enjoyed it. If you buy it, hopefully you enjoy it too.